Have you ever repeated the same print statement 10 times? There is a smarter way in Python. The for loop lets you repeat code automatically, saving your time and making your program cleaner. Let's learn it in just few minutes. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand and use for loop to display the sequence of numbers. So, I'm Jevizo. Let us start. First of all, let us understand meaning of for loop. What does it mean? For loop is a control structure used to repeat a block of code for each item in a sequence, such as number, list, string, or tuples. You can use this for loop once you are dealing with numbers, list, string, or tuples. So let us see the syntax and then take an example to understand it very well. Yes, guys, for loop is just a simple. Syntax is for keyword, then variable name. Let me write variable. For is followed by variable. Then we write keyword in, then we specify sequence. Right? We write now sequence. This is our syntax. We start with keyword for, followed by variable name, of course. Then in keyword, then we specify sequence of that loop. Do you see? This is our syntax here. Let me specify it by just using comment. This is our syntax. So let us take an example. Let us write a Python program that prints numbers from 0 up to 4. Right? So we'll just write for loop. We start with this for keyword as specified in this syntax. Then variable name, you can just call it I, you see. Then we use also this keyword, this for and in are keywords. So we write in, then we specify a sequence. To specify a sequence, we use function called range. Alright, understand here we use range. This range function. Then inside this function, you write our sequence, for example, of 5. In order to print numbers from 0 up to 4, we just write 5 here. Whenever we don't specify the starting point, in that case, automatically it starts from 0. So here we print numbers from 0 up to 4. Once we need to print numbers from 0 up to 5, we can change here and write 6. Alright? So let us start with 5. We change it to check whether it will print numbers from 0 up to 5. So we just write here this dot to open this loop, and then we print our I like this as a variable. Right? So let us save it and learn it to check an output. Of course, we need to click on this learn icon. I'll wait a little bit. This is our output. As you see, is what we already mentioned above, that it should start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Alright? So for instance, when we come and change here to 6, in this case we will get numbers from 0 up to 5, because whenever we don't specify the starting point, in that case it will start from 0 automatically. So let us save it and see changes here. Do you see? Alright, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So this is how for loop works. Actually, in a simple word, this range generates numbers from 0 to 5 here. This range is generating number from 0 up to 5, while this I is our variable, stores each number at a time, and then this print function is used to display numbers. So thank you for watching this video. This is the end of today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will take another example by specifying starting point to understand how it works when we specify starting point. But what you can understand here, once you put here like 6, automatically understand that this 6 cannot be printed because it will start from 0. So to me that is just numbers from 0 up to this 6 minus 1. Do you understand? To mean from 0 up to 5. So if you have any question, idea, or just a suggestion, please let us know in the comment section. And also, if you are new here, don't miss subscribe, like this video, and share it to your colleagues. And remember to open bell so that whenever we upload a new lesson, you automatically get a notification. So see you in the next lesson.